The WooCommerce Name Your Price plugin allows you to let your customers decide how much they would like to pay for products by hiding product prices and creating the Name Your Price field to display on the front end. However, to enable this option, you need to open and edit your products one by one, which is already a long and tedious task. But if you want to edit all products in an entire category, or all products containing a specific keyword, you'll need some help. That's why, in this video, we show you how to bulk enable the Name Your Price option for hundreds of WooCommerce products at once, using the WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin, with which you can filter products by keyword, attribute, tag, shipping class, price, or date. After filtering the products, you'll enable the Name Your Price option for all search results. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. You'll also find the link to visit our written guide. As you can see, the spreadsheet contains all products as rows and their complete fields as columns. One of those columns will be the Name Your Price column. If you want, you can enable the Name Your Price checkbox manually by checking it on all the products you want. And then save the changes for all of them at once. This option is very useful if you need to enable the Name Your Price feature on few products or products that don't share any parameters to be filtered. To select your products, we have a search tool that allows you to filter products by keyword, category, attribute, price, shipping class, etc. For this example, we'll combine several search parameters to search for all men's shirts priced at $200 or less. So let's enter the keyword shirt here. Then select the men category. Take the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Select the field regular price. The operator will be less or equal to. Enter 200 as the value. And run the search. Now, all men's shirts priced at $200 or less will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Once you've filtered the products, let's enable the Name Your Price option using the Bulk Edit tool. Next, select the rows you want to update. In this case it will be all the rows in my current search. The field to edit will be as Name Your Price. Select the Set Value option. Now tick this checkbox. Finally, execute, and the Name Your Price option will be enabled on all the products you've selected. Bulk enabling the Name Your Price option in WooCommerce is really easy with the WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin, as you don't have to open the products one by one, plus you can filter the products using various search parameters. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.